The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Sally, Deepak, Tom, guys, good morning. Good morning. Today is Friday, September 16th. Guys, good morning. Eddie, good morning. Christopher, Jeff, Fernando, guys, good morning. FedEx warned yesterday we're headed for a global recession. Barry, good morning. Leo, guys, good morning. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome back to what will be the last day of your trials. I hope you folks have enjoyed the week. What I will do, Larry, good morning to you. What I will do is I will read the disclaimer. We'll go through the charts again. We'll do some trading today. Again, as you guys may know by now, there's the 8 o'clock bell. On Fridays, I don't do a ton of trading. My goal is to make our money and just be done for the week and leave on a positive note. Today is Quad Witch. It promises to be volatile on the ES. That number is, the pin number is about 3,900, which we are, 13 handles off that 3,900. I expect there to be quite a bit of volatility, quite a bit of selling overnight. In any event, currently, the bots are up 597.50 after a down day yesterday of 1,040. Good morning, Becky. I will be looking to do some option trades. I will not be buying, well, I don't expect to be buying zero DTEs. No, that's extra, Larry. That's extra. Morning, Don. Yeah, the afternoon session yesterday, we also had a very killer day. For anybody that might be interested in the afternoon session, it is $199 a month. We started 2 weeks ago. Afternoons are a little easier to trade. They can be somewhat slower. We don't have anywhere near the volatility, but we did have some nice trades yesterday, and then we called it a day. In any event, let me quickly read the disclaimer, and we'll get on with it. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of we're coming down. Is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts, and please trade according to your tolerance for risk. If anybody has any questions, please holler. All right, let's take a look at charts. Make sure that you save the link. Okay, thanks, Greg. If you are trading crude, that's your short, 10. I mean, we could come down to 84. Here's your short on crude if you trade crude. I'm trying to get my account up. Got it. $87 is a target. I am on November crude. November. Here's target 1 on the ES bot. It hit it, didn't fill it. Damn it. I missed a short on the NASDAQ too. I missed a 78 short. There it is, guys. There's your short. All right. I got filled at 06. There's target 1. I got filled at 06 on CL. If it breaks 04, it should work down to 90. All right. We have a crude short on the bot. It broke 04, came to 98, should get down to 89. And if it breaks down below 85, it could get walloped. You're welcome, Fernando. Could pop back up to 24, just letting you guys know. Yeah. Oh, God dang. Natural gas just blew up. Blew down. I mean, it got crushed. I should have been short 190. I wasn't watching it. We could pop back up to 33. We could go, yeah, we could go to 33. I would say that 33, you probably want your stop at 41. If this gets above 34, it can go back to 68. I'd be out. Yeah, 40. Yeah. It's definitely going to hit 34. There's 32. This is where we want to see it fail and come back down. Damn it. I missed my NASDAQ short at 78. Damn it. Oh, two targets here. And we got a natural gas. Crude needs to dump back below 07. Come on down through 07 and then catch that swing at 98. I'm going to get the ES off the screen. We've got 2 out of 3 targets on ES spot. Historical reset. Right click, reload all historical data. No idea, Ryan. You're not getting data. It's got nothing to do with the order flow, but you're not getting data. Just got to break this 10 again. There we go. We should get 89 for a target 1. Got to break this little swing here at 98. We're going to run into the point of control and VWAP at 85, so that's a place to take some risk off. You've got pretty good. I want to get below this damn point of control is now up here, actually, at 85. It's got to break down below 85. Here comes ES on the bot to target 3. ES is going to head down to that some support here at 75. It's tested it though. YM breaking, Russell breaking. Come on, crude, kill yourself. Big bids down here at 66. Here we go. Block sellers coming in now. There you go, guys. There you go. Break here. There we go. All right, good. You got data. Gonna have some support here at VWAP, but a break of VWAP and this goes. And then this swing here. This is compliments of my buddy Greg. Thank you, Greg. We just got to get through 88 and this thing can flush hard. My target is hit on NASDAQ at 53. ES still trying to get this target, last target. Out on natural gas. Hang on, guys. Got block sellers here at point of control. Buyer here and a buyer here. Natural gas is shorts, guys. I'd really like to see natural gas break below 8036. VWAP starting to get pulled up a bit. It's setting up to come down. Crude still has a trade on the bot. There we go. Got to break below VWAP. Target 1 filled on crude on the bot. Anybody short crude? All right, guys. If crude can break down below 63, it looks like it will get completely annihilated below 63. I mean, this could come 83 bucks today. That's on the November contract now. 83 and change. I mean, there's $1.50 potentially downside. Yeah, and I don't know why. Oh, I do know why. Because I manually changed the month. I didn't roll it over. That's why. Here we go. Below VWAP, fellas. Woohoo! This is going to break. We just need a little more push. Next target for CL would be 68. NASDAQ's target now back to 52. It's not much, 10 handles. Are you sure? Hubba? Okay, my friend. I make sure I still have data. No, saw a tick move. Natural gas is coming down to 112. All right, out on crude on the runners. This is probably the move ahead of the open. Just a bounce. Natural gas is October. It's got to come below 108. All right, natural gas just went long on the bot. Got the losing trade here. It could go back to 177. It may get targets 1 and 2. I don't know. FedEx down 20%. Natural gas is up. That's how you see it? Okay. I never argue with the experts. Oh, NQ. I thought you said natural gas. Good morning. You have NASDAQ and longs? Okay. I don't. Okay. All right. I'm going to buy 250 contracts right now, and you say so. I mean, what's your target? Guys, whenever I assess the market, whenever I look at the market, I look at the overall trend, right? The trend is down. All right, so that's not up. That's just a counter trend scalp trade. I mean, I'm not going to tell anybody how to trade, man. There's target 1 on the bot. I would say the easiest trade is retracements and then down. Whenever you start getting into these counter trend trades, NASDAQ right now has a 3,400 contract negative delta. I don't give a rat's ass if this thing goes to 900 again. You want to fight the tide for 30 handles? Okay, that's cool. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. But it's not a trade that I would recommend or suggest in the room, right? But, you know, if you see something that makes sense to your eye, then that's what you should do. All right, third target hit on the ES spot. Third target hit on the ES spot, so we're good there. And this looks like this may come back down and take it out at break even. I mean, look at how quickly this dropped off 76. 20 handles. It's easier to get the short than it is to try, in my opinion. Now, this is just my opinion. Our trend is clearly down. There is nothing positive in our favor, right, for longs, which is not to say we can't look at, which is not to say we can't get that's, I mean, this may want to hold this, but if we get into the cash session and we haven't broken this yet, and we get down here, I suspect that there will be more than enough volume to flush that. I'm so pissed. I had a short at 78 and I missed it. All right, crude got second target at 68, fellas. Anybody still holding crude? 48, 49 is the next level. Anybody still holding crude? Okay, Fernando. All right, guys. Ryan, you guys that are still in crude, next target, call it 49. And if we can get a break below 84.22, you can target 83.40. She's a biggin. If on the open we get any up move, any bounce whatsoever, you can target 84.06. If on the open we get any bounce, I'm looking to short the bounce. All right, Larry, you have a blessed weekend as well. We will see you on Monday. Just as a follow up before you leave, Dean has indicated that he will be placing the link in the member area. So the new link will be in the member area. Nice job, Fernando. 650. Nice job. Yes. So here is what I'm in a move that I oftentimes regret, but not today. I generally shut my bots off, as you guys know, at 9 o'clock. I got up today and left my bots on. Natural gas got this short here at 9:15. And crude got this long here at 9:13. The bots are now up 25.32. 25.32. So yesterday was the only down day we had for the week. We lost 1,040 yesterday. We've obviously got that back plus 1,500. So I may shut these bots off, guys, just after the open. Russell's not going to take a trade, I don't think. Natural gas will surely trade. We'll see what we get. Your bots are up 3,200. Nice. Guys, I'm just getting my bringing my trading platform back up. Again, guys, it is OPEX. It's quad witch. This could be a stupid, volatile trade. So trade accordingly. Crude oil traded right back to this resistance. It's right back up into this area here. It could get a little bit higher. I don't think it goes much higher than there. Look at, there you go. If it's going to, crude can get to 86.82. Target number one hit 69, free trade. NASDAQ blowing out as we assumed. I'm actually looking for the bounce on the NASDAQ. I'm just too far in the hole for me to want to short it, so I missed my short higher up. And par for the YM was a short at 39.40. God, I hate when they all go at once. NASDAQ's just can't even get a bounce. Almost 1,000 contracts bought on the candle before the open. There's a crude short on the bot. All right, we're bouncing to be expected. Back up to 38. Copper got a bid. Crude is coming down, so you know we have a short on here. YM, if you trade it, you can short YM if it gets to 65. If it gets to 65. I'm watching this NASDAQ, guys. NASDAQ's resistance is up at 66. To 70. You have 200 buyers here. This isn't going very far, I can tell you that. Short NASDAQ right now, it's 27. Come on. Push here, NASDAQ. Let's go. A little bit of support here on the NASDAQ. Small buyer stepped in again. Here we go. There's the drop. Need to come down through 18. Target number one is, if you shorted 27, your target number one is going to be 14. Crude got target one on the bot, 14. There's target one hit and filled on crude. Come on, did you give me 14? No, 18. Here it comes. Come on. Target number one is 14. There it is. 27 to 14. Target one hit. Free trade. Free trade. Free trade. Stop is break even at 27. It's 13 handles. It's not much, but we're really selling in the hole. Crude is coming down. It's almost a second target. Thank you, Jeff. Here comes the breakdown. Target two on crude. Target two on crude hit and filled. Hit and filled. Bots are up $3,000. And out on the last contract, 32.22. Nice job, Fernando. Gold looks like, I'm not watching it, but gold is breaking down. NASDAQ is going to get smashed, guys. It's just jocking around. We're up to 5,000 net sellers. I mean, we're not looking for longs. Soybeans got smashed on the open. Bigger time frame. Yeah, it's still holding this damn level. Nice job, Chris. $4,000 today. Almost 5 funded accounts. Thank you, brother. Come on, Rat Dog. What are you going to do? Oh, you're welcome, man. I'm in no trades. Dijon, no trades. The 27 went to first target and took out break even on the runners. What trade would I be in? We can't get above 38 on the NASDAQ. 18.5 is the short, 18.5. It's getting above 30. Now we can go 66. I will smash this at 65, 66 if it gets there. I will be short. Somewhere up here. Come on, you little rat bag. A little further. Little further. I saw it, Deepak. I can't do anything with it yet. God dang it. All right, guys, I'm going to short NASDAQ. I'm short NASDAQ, fellas. 25. Half. I won't stay with it long if it doesn't drop. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's get the real sell here. NASDAQ short on the bot. Here it comes. Come on. Here come the sellers. Here we go, guys. This could be the implosion right here. Back to 08. Let's go. 08. I'm short 25 half. Target is 808. That's target one, 808. If you're short with me. Come on, 808. Let's go. 808. 808. Come on, 808. You gave me 10. Come on, let's go. Come on, beast. Come on, give me 808. Come on. We have sellers. 165, 160. There's some buyers. Come on, one more break. 808. Come on. Guys, take some risk off if you want here at 12. It's still a nice trade and get it on the runners. It's holding this zone. There it is. Hit 8.5. I have no idea. SPX. I'm not trading options. Now it's a free trade on the NASDAQ. Do you mean the ES, Robert? Do you mean the ES? Is that what you're asking me? I don't have SPX. If I were going to trade SPX, if I were going to trade Nice job, Deepak. Getting a small bid. This could bounce back to 29.30. Nice job, Fernando. Up 1,100 bucks. Nice job in your funded account. Very nice. Very nice. Small buyers here. Come on, god dang it. Freaking hate Ninja, man. I'll tell you, what a shit platform. We failed point of control at 33. I did a database repair yesterday. Everything, fellas. And I'm still getting freezing. I mean, we're not getting ginormous moves here. Small short here again at 15. Right? We got our 17 short to 03. Break even again. Let it go. One of these times this thing is going to break down and go. If I had a guess, Don, and this is purely a guess, 5 hours, it's a guess. I'm watching the ES for a long. Didn't hit 60. 60 half. I mean, we could get a bounce here, fellas. No, small buyers in the NASDAQ. You can take a long to 35 if you have the, the gumption on NASDAQ, 35. Above 35, we can get 44. I'm more interested right now still in shorts, but I'd like to get this thing higher up because we keep selling below the standard deviation into the bottom. I'm waiting for the rip your face off counter trend. All right, NASDAQ just took a short on the bot. I'm going to shut them off at the conclusion of this trade, guys. Hit first target, didn't fill it. There's target 1. Target 2. This is the last bot trade of the week, of the day, and of the week. This is it. Bots are up over $3,000, guys. It's enough for me. It's enough, enough, enough. Lost $1,000 yesterday, got it all back and then some. Bots are up over $7,000 for the week. This is it. Done. 3282.50. Done. 3282.50. See you Monday, Rich. We're not done selling, fellas. NASDAQ is not, but I just can't keep selling this bottom. So we're on the ES. I want this guy here filled. I am not long. Yeah, we have Michigan consumer sentiment at 10 o'clock. NASDAQ sitting on support here at 90. Doesn't mean it can't blow, but this guy's going to get filled at 55. You can see the bid here and here. Looking for 59 versus 58. There's 55. Hang on. Not yet. All right, guys, I'm long. I try to long. I am long 57. I am long 57. And if it doesn't bounce quickly, I will be out. I got the seller at 57, right where I got in. I'd like to get 60 back to the top of the zone. Come on. Let's go, 60. Right up into that seller, that 2,900. Come on, buddy. All right, guys, I'm going to get out only because we have Michigan consumer sentiment. There we go. It missed. There you go. There's your bounce. There's your bounce. Got my 60. Got my 60. Now protect. Break even. Whee! $57. Got to 64. We get above 65. We're going 70. 75. Copper, big strength right now. Crazy. Stop at NASDAQ should be break even, fellas. If you're in at 57, it's break even in a free trade. Above 65, you're going to 75. 70 to 75. Next level up is 68. It's the volume point of control. Whack-a-mole them, fellas. Whack-a-mole them. It's trying to break up above 65 if you're still holding ES. 65, your target becomes 70 to 75. Everybody good? Missed a crude short. Anybody not making money on this beautiful Friday? Is there anybody not making money? Yeah, my ES bot is frozen. Nice job, Chris. All right, guys, opening range high and low is in. There we go. Dang it. Every time we get the only thing I can think of is I may have an outdated Ninja. I mean, I need to update my Ninja, not licensed, but you're very welcome, Fernando. Crude may give us a small. You know, 74 on the ES. 26 point. Okay, I got the correct version. I have no idea why I'm getting freezing all of a sudden. There's 75 from 57 entry, fellas, right out of that zone. Booyah. Booyah. Anybody hold it to 75? Most of your position should be off there. It's Friday. The goal is to make money and be done, right? I'll trade till about 10:30. Oh, you're welcome, Mark. I'll trade until about 10:30-ish. for my trials. I'll give you guys a brief presentation. I don't do elongated presentations, but give you your last, kind of overview of the room. We'll send everybody on their way. And if anybody wishes to join and become a member, if you're here on trial, great. If not, I sincerely wish you well. I'm guessing we get a bounce. They're going to want to trap these shorts. At some point, we get a bounce up to kind of kill the shorts or at least punish the shorts. On the NASDAQ. 60. I'm long 60 on the NASDAQ. Right here at VWAP, basically. I'm long 60. Come on. Pop, you little rat bag. There you go. First target, let's call it 74. First target 74 if you took the 60 long. They should get to 8. If we get above 7, actually call it 71. Target 171 because we got to pivot at 74. If we get above that, we go 83 pretty quick. Call it 71, target 1. There it is, 71, and we got above 74. Would have gotten that 74, but I didn't want to take a target at the pivot. Stop is break even. Here comes natural gas, if you guys like natty gas. Here comes natty gas. You're in natty gas, 61 if you took it. Target number 1 on natty gas, we just got to break 69. Target number 1 is 90. 61 to 90. 90, natty gas. Crude should fail here at 68 and pull back a little bit. Again, I didn't hear the news. NASDAQ still hanging out just above VWAP. Gold is a short here. Gold is going to pull back here. It's 1682 area. There it goes. Come on, natty gas. Let's go. Natural gas just has to pop. Small resistance zone. We're pushing the opening range high, guys, on the NASDAQ, which is here at 71.25, which lines up with a pivot. That's why we're oil exports halted from Iraq because of spillage. Thank you. 71.25. That's your opening range high. We're consolidating just below the Crable break. Natural gas is trying to wind up. All kinds of buyers in gas. 90 is your first target. All right. Out at break even. NASDAQ pull back to 43 and look for a bounce. Here's your short on a candle close if that candle fully closes. Sellers back in. We had 1,006 buyers, 2 bars back. Anybody take it? Anybody long NASDAQ? All right, take some risk off at that damn 73 again. Three minutes to the next 15-minute bar, guys. We're still flirting with the opening range high here. Crude, unfortunately, I missed. All right, Ken. $19. Maybe 30. I mean, I like natural gas long. It's just futzing around in a small area. I'm waiting for this damn NASDAQ to bust up. And then final target would be 923. We keep getting this consolidation. To me, it looks like it's going to bust. Crude to 86.40. I don't know. Let me look at it. 80, yeah, or potentially 87. This is just slow, fellas. Slow. It's long. Just be patient as I see it. Support. We're fighting to get it back above VWAP here. ES pulling back into VWAP. 30 seconds to the next 15-minute bars. Here come the new bars, 10 seconds. NASDAQ. There's the new bar. Here it comes on the 10:30 bar. Come on, buddy. Here we go. Take some off at 74. Again. Or 70, that area. There you go. Take some risk off, guys, now on NASDAQ. Take some risk off if you're trading multiples. I told you had to be patient. Get it on the runners. If we break up through 82, 83, this goes batshit. If you're long, 82, 83. There's your target, 903. And then 920, 903 and 920. Come on, got to get through 83. I know everybody wants to sell the sucker. Still got 10 handles out of this, and I still think it goes. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Got to about 83. Got to get through that little zone there, guys. What's holding us back this 15-minute is the 50-period moving average on a 15-minute. Go, na, 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 da, 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 da. Come on, baby. Who's long from 64? Who had the guts to take that trade? It's going to go. Who's long, fellas? Okay. Target number 1 is 03, 903. Or target number 2, 903. And then 20, final. 3 and 20. We're banging them. We're banging them. Oh, 03 from 64. And 20. Those are my targets. 3 and 20. Can't make it up, fellas. Come on, NASDAQ. This is like summer trading. So now they got the longs or the shorts feeling a little bit of heat. Europe's gone in an hour. They'll draw the longs in, then they'll bring it back into the middle of the range, and they'll let them all sweat to the end of the day. Come on, 03. 03 target hit. Boom. 40 handles. And here comes 20. Can't make this up, fellas. Can't make it up. How do you do? And there's 90 on ES. 90 on ES. For the video and the record, the bot 328250. 328250. All right. For trial members,